Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can participate in the completely free Axiom airdrop. So let's get right into the video. So with this airdrop, it's completely free to participate in, and there's a potential profit of $10,000. Now, Axiom is a protocol that enables smart contracts to access information from the entire history of Ethereum. And with this project, it's possible to create on-chain applications that have access to a large amount of information at a much lower cost. Now, they've just actually raised $20 million in their Series A funding, so you can tell they're a serious project. Now, let's go ahead and actually dive into how we can go about accessing this airdrop. So first of all, we have to head over to the website chainlist.org and we have to add the chain. So the URL is chainlist.org/chain/1115511. And when you go to the website, it's going to open up here. And on the right hand side, you're going to see a little pop-up. Which extension do you want to connect with? Now, I would recommend going ahead and adding MetaMask as the test network. So I'm going to click use MetaMask. We want to go ahead and just click got it, press next and add it to our MetaMask just like this. So that's the first step. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go to the faucet and we want to give ourselves some test Ethereum on the network. So what we're going to do for that is we're going to go to alchemy.com/faucets/ethereum-sepolia like this. And we want to go ahead and put our Ethereum wallet in here and press send me ETH, and that's going to send you some ETH for the test network. So once we've gone ahead and signed up, we can put our wallet in there and we can click the send me ETH button. Now, once we've gone ahead and done that, we want to go over to the Axiom website here, and the domain is repl.axiom.xyz, and it should look something like this. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do is go to the top right hand corner of the site and go ahead to connect wallet. We can click MetaMask and we connect up our wallet here, connect just like this, and it's going to ask to switch network. You can do that, and your wallet should now be connected up. Now we can go up to the top and we go to this button here that says test circuit, and we can click that and we just have to wait a few seconds for the confirmation. Next up, we want to go over to the generate keys button, click that, and then we have to wait till the keys have been generated in the logs window. So now once we've done that, we want to go down to or over to where it says generate proof and click that, and then we want to wait for this to generate in the logs. So boom, you can see we've done all of that. Next, we want to go ahead and click the send Axiom query button. And this is where we're going to go ahead and click send query. And at this point, we are now done. We can go ahead and do this a few times per month, and we have a chance to be able to claim the airdrop. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.